Meanwhile, President Rodrigo Duterte says Taal Volcano is not really a grave concern at this time. This was the statement of the chief executive after Alert Level 3 has been raised over Taal Volcano. However, the chief executive said the government will raise the alert level when the need arises. But before issuing such statement, the president made light of the latest natural disaster and suggested he might place a cap on the volcano's crater.
Not necessarily. Hindi ko malaman kung dumaan man kami kanina. Kunti mo lang na lang ako. Siguro lagyan ko lang ng cap. Yung butas. Paano na yan? We will raise the alert on the level that it should. Now it's just a rumbling. And it's spewing, I don't know if it's really the artist. Apektado daw tayo. But it's not really a grave concern for us at this time. Maybe it will degenerate into something bad. By that time, you will know. Nandiyan na lahat, nakaposisyon na yung